In our previous videos, the cow and bull mosaics received so much positive feedback. That's why we're making another cow. This time, it's a spring cow mosaic with flowers, a brighter and lighter in mood. We begin with the design layout and prepare the oracle film, sticky side up, so we can assemble the mosaic directly on the surface. The portrait is built from carefully mixed brown and amber tones. Instead of using textured or dimensional glass, we create depth by blending different shades of color. Lighter pieces are placed where light would naturally fall, and darker tones define shadows. This color transition gives the cow form and structure while keeping the surface completely flat. Every piece is cut and adjusted precisely to match the layout. If something feels slightly off in tone or balance, we replace it. Small color changes can transform the entire expression. Next, we move on to the flowers. They are made entirely from yellow and orange glass, without additional colors. We combine soft yellow tones with brighter orange centers to create contrast and warmth. At one point, we decide to replace the base of the flower center with a more vibrant orange piece. That small adjustment immediately makes the flowers more expressive and alive. For the background, we use green glass sheets. To keep the composition structured and clean, we cut straight lines using a ruler. The glass is first cut into strips, then into small square pieces. These squares are placed one by one, building the background like a puzzle. We subtly mix different green tones to avoid a flat surface and create visual movement. Before transferring the mosaic, we prepare the base. We use a custom acrylic backing designed for durability. We cut additional glass strips for the side borders and glue them using tile adhesive suitable for exterior use, and let it dry for 24 hours. Then we cover the surface with another layer of Oricol film, flip the mosaic over, and carefully peel off the original template. For additional strength, we apply a reinforcement mesh before mounting the main mosaic. A layer of adhesive is spread over the mesh, and then the mosaic is carefully placed on top using the same tile adhesive. After another 24 hours of drying, the structure becomes stable and ready for the next stage. After the mosaic is securely mounted and fully dry, we move on to the final stage, grouting. We apply a chameleon grout, which subtly adapts to the surrounding colors of the mosaic. This type of grout blends naturally with the glass tones and doesn't overpower the design. The grout is spread evenly across the entire surface, filling all the joints between the glass pieces. Once applied, we allow it to dry completely. After it sets, we carefully clean the surface to remove any residue and reveal the final look. And here it is, our completed spring cow mosaic with flowers. Warm, balanced, and full of seasonal energy.